Autodesk AutoCAD is one of the most used CAD programs in the world today. Many design and architectural firms have standardized on its use and create an enormous number of 3D designs that eventually make their way to real products and structures. Many of those same companies have a need to create rendered visualizations of those AutoCAD designs. This is where 3ds Max and the use of the Link AutoCAD feature can become a critical part of a successful design visualization campaign. In this lesson, we are going to use the Link AutoCAD import option to create a live link to an external AutoCAD file. From the 3ds Max application menu, click Reset to reset the file. If you're asked to save a file, don't save it. When you're asked if you really want to reset, click Yes. To access the Link AutoCAD command, click on the 3ds Max application menu. Click on the right-facing arrow on the right side of the import option. In the import panel, click Link AutoCAD. This opens a new open dialog and should automatically default to the import directory of the project folder. If it does not, navigate to the import folder. Click on the Facility Building.dwg file and click Open. This opens the file in the Manage Links dialog. Now let's set a few options for this particular link. First, let's modify one of the presets and create a new preset for our specific purposes. Click on the Presets tab. If we look at the presets list, we can see that there are 3 AutoCAD presets available. These are useful. However, we want to set some options that may not be configured the same way in either of these presets. On the right side of the dialog, click New. In the New Settings Preset dialog, type in the name Low-Res and make sure the format is set to AutoCAD Drawing. Click OK to accept the name and format. That adds the low-res preset to the AutoCAD drawing list. Select the new preset in the list and notice that the Modify option is now active. Click Modify to open the File Link Settings DWG Files dialog. Let's make a few changes in the Basic Parameters panel first. Check the option Orient Normals of Adjacent Faces Consistently. This will correct the issue of flipped faces when importing older AutoCAD files. Set the curve steps to 6 to reduce the complexity of any curves that are linked. Change the maximum surface deviation for 3D solids to 3 inches. Since this is going to be a low resolution import, the higher this value, the lower the resolution of surface derived from curved solids will be. In the Include area, check the Views and Camera checkbox. This will cause the link to use the views and cameras in the AutoCAD file and create a camera in 3ds Max in its place. Now switch over to the Advanced tab. Check the option Use Scene Material Assignments on Reload. This will cause the link to use the materials that have been assigned in 3ds Max when reloading the AutoCAD file after an update. Click Save to save the preset. In the Manage Links dialog, click the Attach tab. In the Attach panel, change the preset to the low-res preset that we just created by selecting it from the preset dropdown. Let's make sure a few of the layers do not get attached. Click Select Layers to Include. In the Select Layers dialog, choose the Select from List option. You can now uncheck any layer that you do not want to attach through this particular link. In the layer list, uncheck Layer 0 and uncheck the A-shade layer. Then click OK to accept the changes. Now that the link is configured the way we want, click Attach this file. This will process the AutoCAD file and link it to the scene. Close the Manage Links dialog Notice that there are two cameras that have been created from this link. Once the model is attached, you're ready to begin applying materials, lighting the scene, and adding animation.